Hi, I'm Jason from Rangeland RV, and I want to take some time to show you one of our hallmark products at Rangeland, our Cherokee. This floor plan that we're going to see today, our 274 DBH, is hands down this summer's #1 selling trailer. The Cherokee construction is something quite unique to this style of trailer. Cherokee builds using a stud every 12 inches. They call it 12-inch on center, and feature a full walkable roof so you can get up and do all the maintenance on the trailer without having to worry about damaging anything. The Cherokee 274 DBH and all of my other Cherokee products are hands down one of the best value trailers in the industry. You can see again the great Platinum Effects exterior package, but things like your power tongue jack on the front and our power awning, which on this trailer is backlit with blue LED lighting and at night looks awesome. Outside speakers and a bracket for your TV for the exterior of the trailer. This is the perfect family trailer. Come inside and let me show you a little bit of the interior features. When you shop for a Cherokee at Rangeland RV, you get some great features that we provide our customers that you're just not going to find at our competition. Some of the things that you're going to see in our 2014 and 2015 Cherokee models are things like full pocket sliding doors to the master bedroom. You see this great double bunk over double bunk floor plan. A massive storage closet in this, ducted air conditioning, heated tanks with ducted furnace heating, and a large sink basin to put your big pots and pans in. It's not one of those little typical RV sinks. You'll find that all of my Cherokees have a higher roof line than your typical travel trailer. What this does is it allows us to have a bigger slide out and massive windows. When you see our Cherokees, you're going to notice right away how big the windows are compared to my competition. Thanks for spending some time with me today in the new 2015 Cherokee 274 DBH, but do make sure you come by Rangeland RV and check out one of these trailers for yourself.